Okay, this is official footage that we're being safe, right?
Yes.
Describe our safety operation, Zach.
Safe. I'm not in charge of that. Nathan is.
He's a firefighter.
He is a firefighter. I am, yes.
Well, no, you're not.
I am a firefighter. Yes.
You are?
I have a license. Yes.
We have a firefighter.
Yeah.
We have buckets full of water. We have our fire truck right here.
This one's going to go off about halfway through this one's sequence, because this one's going to be going to the second junction right here. Hit this tube, then second junction here. Hit this tube, then second junction here. And this is 4-foot run from here all the way to there.
All our adoring fans out there about what is going to take place this evening. Yeah, that's about what I expected. How do you work this space? Whoa, that popped out. That was pretty cool.
It was good. It was a nice.
So, wait, is it your car or is it not your car?
It's legally my car.
Well, then why does she have it?
Because I gave it to her.
Shovel deep for stuff that hasn't been stepped on.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's amazing.
Why don't you have a ring?
You know, they don't have that west of the Rockies. Oh, okay. It's not going fast, though. It's not.
Why do you run to the high ground? It's a bad move.
Are you hitching that? Are you kidding me? That pulls that thing?
Yeah.
Dude, that's a Kubota 4000. They made it out of Japan, out of old kaiju bones and Gundams.